Morning students. Today we will start our topic data types in Python. So, what is a data type? And here in Python the data type is something similar to class and object concept. Data types are the classification or categorization of data item. In Python everything is an object in Python. So, data types are classes and variables are instance of that object, instance of that classes. That is similar to class and object in C++ or Java. Here, data types are classes and variables are objects. That is data types in Python. What is the concept? So in Python, classes are data types. Or data types are classes and variables are object or instance of that classes. So here is the different data types in Python. Python data types consist of numeric. Then in numeric data type, that is integer, float and complex. That is the numeric part. Then dictionary and boolean, set, sequence type, which consists of strings, list and a tuple. It is somewhat different from Java or C++. These are the different data types available in Python. So we are use Python in big data analytics and such complex real-time situation. These data types are helpful in these areas. Numeric data type consists of integer, complex numbers and float. These three representations are included in numeric type. Then dictionary, that's the only type, dictionary type. Then boolean data type. And next one is search. And sequence type consists of three other types, that is strings, list and a tuple. These are the three data types as part of sequence types, and we will go through each of these data types. First one is numeric data types. So you know what is numeric data type. Then Python creates number objects when a number is assigned to a variable. Example, A and B are two types, and A is equal to 3 and B equal to 5. Here A and B are number objects. And Python support for numeric data. For numeric data, that is int, long, float. Then integer, in int it consists of signed integers like 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. And long integers are used for high range values. That is, the range included this much of values, and we use small l or capital L for representing long type. And float is used for floating point numbers like 3.2, 5.6, etc. Numeric data consists of int, all numbers, that is signed integers, then long and float. And the fourth data type is complex type, which represent a complex number which consists of a real part and an imaginary part. These are the four different. In long integers, we can use small l or capital L. It is preferable to use capital L, which avoid confusion. We can use small l or capital L in long integers. And complex number contain the pairs x plus iy, where x and y denote real and imaginary part. Next data type is string data type. So now string can be defined as sequence of characters represented in the quotation mark. But in Python, we can use single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes to define a string. That is an important point. In Python, we can use single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes to define a string. There are various inbuilt functions and operators to handle string. In Python, the plus operator is used as concatenation. Just like Java, the plus operator is used as a concatenation operator which combines two strings. For example, here hello plus hello is in double quotes plus double quotes Python. So output is hello Python in double quotes. And next is the operator star, that is known as repetition operator. Star is the repetition operator. We can go through an example. Here in double quotes, we write it Python and star 2. The output is Python first time, then second time also Python. That is, here it is 2, then this string is represented in 2 times. That is the repetition operator. So, a star is the repetition operator in Python. Example is the string and then star 2 or star any number, which defines that much of times the string. Next, str1 is in single quotes, hello. str2 is in single quotes, how are you. Next is print str1 of within square bracket 0 and full colon, that is the slice operator. This full colon is the slice operator, and 2, which means the output started from the index 0 and 2 characters. In the string str1 only one string, and in str2 here how are you. So 0, 1, 2. Then print str1 of 4. So first output is print str1 of 0 slice operator 2. That is the first 2 characters. Here the output is H and E. Second statement, print str1 of 4. The fourth character of str1 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is O is the fourth character. Here is the output of that statement. Third one is print str1 star 2. That is str1 string is hello. Then here 2 is, that is str1 hello, hello. 2 times hello. Next is str1 plus str2, that is concatenation hello, how are you. These are some examples of string handlings. So here first 2 characters, second, fourth character. Index start from 0, just like other. Next data type is list. So lists are similar to arrays, but the difference is that in list we can store data of different types. That is, in arrays we can store same data type, but in list we can store different data types. Then items stored in list are separated with a comma and enclosed within square brackets. Comma separating each element and items are enclosed in square bracket. We can use slice operators, that is the full colon, slice operators to access the data of the list. The concatenation operator and the repetition operator works with the list in the same way as in the string. So we can go through that. Here is an example of list. Name of that list is list1, which contains first 1, that is an integer, second high, that is a string, third one is Python, that is also in string, next is 2, that is an integer number. Okay, this is the list1. We represent 4 elements and each one separated by commas. First question is print list1 of 3 full colon. So the output is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 3 from 3 onwards. That is the meaning of this statement. Print the list 1 of 3 slice operator means the elements starting with 3 onwards. Here 1 is 0, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So the output is 2. Next one is print list 1 of 0 slice operator 2. So starting with 0 and 2 elements, that is 0, 1, 2. 0, 1. First 2, 0 முதல்ல 2 elements, 0 plus starting index 0 and 2 elements, that is 1 and high. Starting 0, 1 and 2 elements, second one is high. Third one is print list 1. So list 1 as such, 1, high, Python 2. This is the third one. Next is print list 1 plus list 1. So concatenation, that is 1, high, Python 2 is the first list and second one also 1, high, Python 2. That is the second times. So concatenating list 1 and list 1, repeating that. Next is print list 1, multiplication, star and 3. So here the output is 1, high, Python 2 is the first time. Also this is the second time, this is third time. So the list is repeated 3 times. This print list 1 star 3. So index start with 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the elements of a list. Here the name of the list is list1. Okay. Next one is tuple, that is similar to list. Like list, tuple also contains the collection of the items of different data types. It also separated with comma and enclosed in parentheses. An important point is that a tuple is a read-only data structure that is immutable, whereas list is mutable. So we can modify the size and value of items in a tuple. That is, a tuple is an immutable data type. That is an important point. And whereas list is mutable, so we can't change size and values of a tuple. That is the next data type.